Hello boys and girls, welcome to our English lesson. So for today's lesson, I am going to teach you when can you use quarter to and quarter past in telling the time. There are two important things that you should know before you can tell time. The first one is a long hand, or it is also known as minute hand. And the second one is the short hand, which is also known as the hour hand. So if you look at the first example, the long hand struck at number 3. And now you can look at the short hand. So the short hand is pointing at number 1. Alright, so quarter past 1. Alright, now we are looking at the second example. So again, the long hand struck at number 3 and the short hand stayed at number 5. Right? So when the long hand struck at number 3, that means it's quarter past. And then now you can see the number at the short hand. So it's quarter past 5. So look at this one. Again, the long hand stays at number 3. That means it's quarter past. And the short hand goes to number 11. So when you want to tell the time, you will say quarter past 11. Alright, now we will move on to the use of quarter to. Okay, for quarter to, the long hand will stay at number 9. Okay, so when you see the long hand struck at number 9, that means quarter to. Now you look at the first example. Okay, so the long hand stays at number 9 and the short hand is going to number 4. It hasn't reached number 4, but it's close to number 4. So when you tell the time, you will say quarter to 4. Okay, now we'll look at the second example. Okay, so the long hand stays at number 9. That means quarter to. And the short hand is going to number 6. Or you can say it is close to number 6. Alright? So when you want to tell the time, you will say quarter to 6. It is not 6 o'clock yet, but it's going to be 6 o'clock. So quarter to 6. Now the last example. Okay, you can see here, the long hand stays at number 9. So it's quarter to. And the short hand is close to number 2. Right? Okay, so it will become quarter to 2. Alright, I think that's all from me for today's lesson. I will give you the link to the worksheet and you can complete that. And please stay safe at home and I will see you in the next lesson. Bye!